Hello friends, welcome to Camalis French Lesson 2. Hey, this is Kamil Maurin, a teacher in French language with 33 years of experience. You can be an absolute beginner and still learn French with me. Today's lesson is going to be the continuation of the lesson 1 where we learn to greet people. So in general we said when we greet people we say bonjour. So it is bonjour. So when you meet people you say bonjour at any time of the day. But specifically if you are meeting someone after 5 p.m. you can say bonsoir. 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 Good night is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit will be used only when you are sure that the person is going to sleep after you leave. So it is not like when you meet someone but when you leave someone. There's nothing like good afternoon. When you see someone in the afternoon, you don't say good afternoon. When you meet someone in the afternoon, contrarily to the English language, we don't say good afternoon in French. We can use also salut when we meet someone, and this word can be used also when we leave someone. It can be used for goodbye. So salut is indifferent. It is just a form of greeting, informal greeting. You can use it with friends and with dear ones and not with people that you have to respect. It's not for formal use. So salut, salut, salut. The U is a little difficult to pronounce, but you get it by practice. Salut, U, salut, salut. To say goodbye, we have another word, au revoir. Au revoir can be used with anyone. It is formal, informal, it is in general use. So au revoir means goodbye or bye-bye. And it can be followed by à bientôt, see you soon. So now let's have a look at all the new words that we have learned today. The first word was bonsoir, bonsoir, bonne nuit, bonne nuit, salut, salut, au revoir, au revoir, à bientôt, à bientôt. So, this is all for today, and let's see again in the next video with other interesting words. So see you until then. Au revoir, à bientôt.